Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's little episode of this beautiful Michigan winter, now we are in 2020. This winter has been pretty crazy for us in Southeast Michigan, and crazy as in a sense of strange, because we've only had 2 snowstorms, and I'm going out for the 3rd right now. So in all reality, I mean, we usually go out. Last year, to be honest, last year we went out 7 times. The year before that, we went out 13 to 15 times. I think it was 13. And the year before that, we went out like 21 times. So if that just puts things into perspective, you know, I'm nobody to sit here and talk about climate change and whether it's real or not. I'm sure there are, you know, stats out there that could probably, I don't know, prove both sides, right? That's kind of how these things go. Anyways, just having a little fun with that, guys. But yeah, so like I said, this is the 3rd time I'm going out, and that's just crazy in Michigan, because north of us and south of us have actually gotten more snow. So we must be in a little sweet spot or something. Anyways, guys, I am out here riding solo at the moment. Hopefully someone shows up, but you put a crew together sometimes on the fly, and then guys don't show. Every time it's in the winter and you have a guy that you know is gonna flake, it's when he says, my car won't work. It's just right off the bat. You know, it's the people that confirm the day before. Hey man, work at 8 a.m. tomorrow? Yes, I'll let you know. And then I confirmed it at night. I said, 8 a.m., it's confirmed, we're working. Lo and behold, dude doesn't show up. Coincidence? I think not. Anyways, so whatever. I mean, that's the life. I'll just be working extra. Maybe I can find somebody to help me out. Maybe another crew will come to the rescue. But hey, you do what you can. All I can do is get out here, get my Toro 721Rs rolling, do my shoveling, and get to it.
lover.